Thank you for your interest in the 10mt20nh. This ramp is intended to be used to load or unload trailers or containers down to solid ground such as concrete or asphalt. This ramp includes solid wheels for easy maneuverability, and a forklift attachment is also included standard with this particular model. The ramp is 83 inches wide with 75 inches of usable width and approximately 32 feet 7 inch long with a maximum pitch of about 12 degrees. The 10mt20nh has a solid anti-slip platform, great for loading or unloading most products in most conditions. We also have this particular model with a graded platform. That is ideal for usage in areas that see snow or for cargo that will leave behind potentially slippery residue. The 10mt20nh is a great addition to any business. You will be able to use this for many years to come. If you have any questions or you want to check out some other models, please feel free to visit us on TBC-Ramps.com. Thank you so much for watching.